Roman Sionis is dangerous.
Who's having a good time?
Do you know why you're here?
There are a lot of possible answers to this question.
Wait,
What?
don't kill me.
All right. Bring me back my diamond. Go, fetch. Man of Gotham! Go show those little girls you don't mess with us!
Freeze! Gotham PD!
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you freaking kidding me?
It had been 6 short hours since my little stun at Ace Chemicals announced to the world that Mr. J and I were donezo. The immunity I'd enjoyed for so long was gone. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this. And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people.
ジョーカーと別れてクレイジーに悪川覚醒
Hi, boys.
極悪からダイヤを盗んだ少女を守れ
Man of Gotham! Who's having a good time?
悪対悪の危険度マックスアクション
I'm the one they should be scared of. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn!
ハーレイ・クインの華麗なる覚醒
Hey, stay with me for more on DC and in particular its female stars. Margot Robbie did almost all of her own stunts for Suicide Squad, including an elevator fight scene where she literally runs up a wall without even wearing a harness. Now, do you like my t-shirt? You can get one too. Click on the t-shirt link in the description.